Hi everyone, and welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. I was away for several days living in a tent on private property in a mountainous area. During that time I got away from technology, enjoyed the sounds of nature, and worked on some skill sets. Someone purchased a campfire kit off Amazon. I won't bother telling you the brand of this kit because I don't recommend it, but they asked if I could show them how to start a fire using the flint and steel that came with their kit. So I did. Although I do practice with flint and steel from time to time, I have an abundance of lighters and matches that I use on a daily basis. After the flint and steel demo, my husband gathered some rocks to build a quick temporary fire pit to be used for the duration of the camping trip. The fire was used for warmth, ambiance, and to make tea, coffee, and food. We spent the remainder of the evening around the fire pit, enjoying the stars and the moon. This is a portable stove that takes both butane and propane fuel. It's a good cheap solution to prepare meals while camping or during blackouts. You can heat water and cook on the Mr. Buddy heater. Just be mindful of the plastic parts.
Y'all folk and your newfangled technology.
And here's your typical lightweight portable camp stove. And finally, my favorite, cooking using the campfire. We were expecting rain this particular evening, so a couple of the guys prepared and set aside some small branches to be used as kindling for the next day. The daytime temperature ranged between 68 and 74 degrees Fahrenheit for the most part, with the highest temperature reaching 81 degrees on one of those days. And in the evenings, it pretty much ranged between 41 degrees and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, with the coldest night being below freezing. We only experienced one day of rain, which did not keep us in our tents. We simply put on our ponchos, raincoats, or coats with a hood and went about our day. This is the day after it rained. The guys got the dry kindling sticks that were protected from the rain, formed the sticks in a teepee shape, and lit it. Yes, that is a torch. Again, practicing starting fires with flint and steel or via friction is a great skill set to have, and it is fun to light fires using those methods from time to time. However, we also like to keep things simple. Once the fire was established and was hot enough, we added more fuel. These wood blocks are scraps from a nearby lumber mill. It is a good idea to check out what scrap pieces you can get from your local mill to be used as firewood. At some point I decided to concoct a tripod. Tripods come in handy to hover pots over a fire. To make this tripod, I simply stood the 3 branches up straight, wrapped the twine around each individual branch multiple times, then tied it off. Finally, the tripod was spread open to the edge of the fire pit over the fire. Here we are roasting garlic using the tripod.
You build the fire, you get the sticks and the little branches and things. You build a fire, stick them, you pile them up, you light them on fire, and it flares up. Then it cools down a little bit. That's when you get them coals. Then you put your coffee pot on top of the coals, and it's a process. Don't get in a hurry.
Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and check back for part 2.